through the fire or through the sea, the high mountains or underneath. I will go farther till the eyes could see, till I find the one that I need, the one that will love me over who that I am, the one that will hold my hand and say it's okay. Onye game up in my code, the one I will call my love, my love. I will search to the end of the world till I find the one I will call my love.
Oh my goodness, guys, you cannot believe the movie that just dropped. Oh my god, guys, if you are not watching this movie, honestly speaking, you are really missing, because this movie is very entertaining. Like, it's going to crack your ribs up. This movie is so interesting. You will really love this movie. Trust me when I say that you are going to love this movie. You will really love this movie. So guys, let us know your thoughts about this movie on the comment section, because this movie, it is a trendy movie. This movie just dropped some minutes ago, and guys, boom, we are here. So guys, go and see this beautiful masterpiece and let us know what you think about this movie on the comment section. And for those of you that have watched this movie, what do you have to say concerning this movie? Drop your comments on the comment section. So guys, if there is anything that you want, or you rather not wanted to see the movie, let us also know your thoughts on the comment section. So see you all guys on our next movie recommendation video. Bye.
My love, the one that will give my heart. I will search to the end of the world till I find the one I will call my love. The one that will give my heart, the one that will give my hand, the one that will hold my hand and say it's okay. Onye game up in my code, the one I will call my love, my love. I will search to the end of the world till I find the one I will call my love. The one that will give my heart. I will search to the end of the world till I find the one I will call my love. The one that will give my heart. Through the fire or through the sea, the high mountains or underneath, I will go farther till the eyes could see, till I find the one that I need, the one that will love me over who that I am, the one that will hold my hand and say it's okay.